Welcome back. Industries Minister Mahadev Naik informed that government plans to develop Shiroda constituency by establishing factory in Shiroda to generate employment to Goans. He was speaking at the inaugural ceremony of Savode Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal, Shri Sthal.
दिल्ली गेले आम्ही एक एक्सपोर्ट रेडीमेड गारमेंटची फॅक्टरी पहिली फॅक्टरी एक मालकाची आशिल्ली आम्ही सही फॅक्टरी विजीट केली आणि सही फॅक्टरी मेळून जवळजवळ 12,000 एम्प्लॉई थंय काम करतात आमकां अशा प्रकारचे इंडस्ट्री हांगा जाय पडटल्यो जेणे करून खेड्या गावातले लोकांक जे आसा ग्रामीण भागातले लोक आसा हे सर्विसी पासून खूप पयस आसात एक बारीक समाजातले मग आमची एक ध्येय आसा आमचो एक संकल्प आसा आमी एक जिद्द मनात लावला आसा की ह्या हितून भितर जशे 2012 गोंयच्या लोकांनी परिवर्तन केल्लें आसा तशे प्रकारचे औद्योगिक परिवर्तन आमच्या ह्या गांवांत जावपाक जाय आमच्या गोंयांत जावपाक जाय जेणे करून परिवर्तनाचे जे कितें फळां जे आसा ते गोंयच्या लोकांक दाखोवपाक मेळपाक जाय.
Savode Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal, Shri Sthal, was inaugurated on Friday. The ground floor of the complex was inaugurated amidst BJP MLAs, Fomento representatives and others.
2 कोटी रुपया खर्च जालो आणि ताचे 75 लाख रुपया जे आसात ते फॉमेंतो आस्थापनाच्या अवधूत बाब तिवलो हांणी डोनेट केले. त्याच बरोबर हे आस्थापनांनी ह्या खातीर डोनेशन दिल्लें आसा. सावडे गांवचें एक स्वप्न आशिल्लें की सावड्याक बरें सांस्कृतीक भवन जावचें आनी त्या खातीर सावडे सार्वजनीक मंडळान हाजो फुडाकार घेवन एक गांवा भितर एक बरें कल्चरल जावं आमचे जे सांस्कृतीक कार्यक्रम जाता ते लग्ना खातीर हो हाजे उबारणी केली.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Now look at the other events in the state.
With an aim to provide information to students about career options, an education fair was held at Kala Academy on Saturday. In this 2-day fair, various education institutions of India are participating, displaying career options available at their campuses.
This concept of education fair will help both parents as well as students, because parents at one place will get to know what are the different courses that are being offered by the different institutions, not only in Goa but outside Goa as well. If you have noticed, there are institutions from Belgaum, Mangalore, Bangalore. These are the places where students normally go, and therefore they can see over here, compare and make informed decisions.
National Confederation of Officers Association held a General Council meeting. Around 40 delegates across India participated in the meet. Goa Shipyard CMD Vinit Bakshi spoke on the challenges in the public sector units.
The Department of Public Enterprises has been coming out with some extremely good guidelines, in particular for corporate governance. They have looked at models which are existing worldwide, regulatory, and which are required by law and which are required by principle, and have established certain standards that we now need to work towards corporate governance. How do we administer these companies in a more efficient manner?
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Sunny Club won the 50th edition of Bandodkar Memorial League cricket tournament after beating Geno Sports Club by 4 wickets in the finals on Saturday. The tournament was organised by Panji Gymkhana at Kampal.
After winning the toss, Geno Sports Club decided to bat. Second wicket partnership of 82 runs between Sumiran Amonkar and Siddesh Ramani gave Geno a solid platform to build on. Siddesh was dismissed on 41 and Sumiran on 40. However, the batsmen that followed could not make big contributions. Raju Bhatkal scored 25 runs while Syed Badi Juma was not out on 20. Geno could only post a modest total of 184 runs in the allotted 45 overs. Lakshay Garg picked up 2 wickets for Sunny Club. Sunny produced a good batting performance and chased down the target in 35.2 overs, losing 6 wickets. Siddesh Lad was their top scorer with 72 runs. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.